In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share your Coursera certificates on LinkedIn. First, let's make sure you have a clean, official copy of your certificate. Sign into your Coursera account and head to your accomplishments or profile page where your completed courses and certificates live. Open the certificate for the course you want to showcase, then select the option to download it as a PDF. Save that file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated folder, and consider renaming it to something clear, such as the course title and date. If you don't see a certificate, double check that the course is fully completed and that you're in the certificate track. Now, let's add that PDF to your LinkedIn profile. Open LinkedIn and go to your profile page. Scroll to the Licenses and Certifications section and choose to add a new entry. Enter the course name exactly as it appears on your certificate so recruiters can match it quickly. For the issuing organization, you can list Coursera or, if applicable, the university or industry partner shown on the certificate. If the course doesn't expire, leave the expiration box unchecked. Next, look for the option to upload your document and attach the PDF you just downloaded. Give everything a quick review to make sure there are no typos, then save. You've now added a polished, verifiable credential right on your profile, which can boost your visibility in searches and strengthen your credibility. There's also a fast way to share your achievement directly from Coursera. On the same accomplishments or profile pages, select Share Certificate. Coursera will generate a unique URL for your certificate. Copy that link and share it wherever you like, on LinkedIn posts, your profile, or even in messages. On LinkedIn, that link fits perfectly in the credential URL field of your licenses and certifications entry, allowing others to view and verify your certificate with a single click. This is especially useful if you want a lightweight alternative to uploading the PDF, or if you'd like to include both the document and a verification link. A few final tips to keep things tidy: make sure your course title, issuer, and dates match what's on the certificate. Keep your PDF named clearly for future use, and if you complete more courses, repeat the same process so your profile stays current. With your Coursera certificates properly uploaded or shared, you're making your skills visible and verifiable to anyone reviewing your professional profile.